Eisenhower dollars. When we hear that phrase, we're usually thinking 1971, 1978, the last of the big jumbo dollars. But in 1990, for the 100th anniversary of the birth of our 34th president, 5-star general, they made another one. This one, a beautiful 90% silver. And tonight, crazy price time. Look at this. So in 1990, we have two different coins. One struck. One of them uncirculated, one of them proof. They were packaged identically, other than the wording proof or uncirculated. And you can tell by looking at them the difference. I'm telling you right now, the rarer of the two by a lot is the uncirculated. And for the first time in U.S. history, same person, dual image. President, 34th, looking right. Behind that is his earlier life, which was the 5-star general, facing left. Beautiful design, dual dated. And then the reverse, the Eisenhower home itself, which they've done a couple of times over the years. Remembering the Illinois had Lincoln's home. You had Grant's coin in 1922, his home, a very standard practice. Beautiful opportunity. The price. Yeah, the price is the price. $39.95 each. Now these are the same size and weight as the Morgan and Peace dollars were. 38.1 millimeters, 0.900 fine, which is U.S. coin silver. And then they net weight them down because there's an alloy, and they're at 27 net weights of gram, right? Gram weight. 31,101 is the true 1 ounce. So they're as close to an ounce as you can get, considering they were intended off the model of the Morgan and Peace, which were two circulating coins. Now you notice under the word Liberty right there? What's the significance of the W? It's West Point. What's the significance of the W? For the first time in U.S. history, West Point put their mint mark on a silver dollar. And it's appropriate because the 5-star General Eisenhower was out of West Point, the class of 1915. The unique thing about that class is there's 164 cadets. He ranked number 64th in reference to all the applied math and scientists, or math, all the various other aspects of the student life in West Point. But he was 125th in discipline. But he raised himself through the ranks to the ultimate 5-star general status. He also, if you remember history, not getting into politics other than to reference, when's the last time you've heard of a candidate being courted by both parties to represent them? Yeah, Eisenhower was that guy. And tonight, the best part is, guess what? The price. We're at $39.95 as a your choice. Now, as I referenced, the packaging is the same. You notice by looking at the packaging, it's a little bit different than what was going on at that time in history. We had small jewelry boxes, right, with outer bigger boxes. Well, this box is meant to look like that of a ribbon from military service. You open up the big long box, and inside would be your ribbon for your act or contribution, right? Your service medal, etc. So they wanted to make the box look very symbolic of that, of what would have been part of Eisenhower's history. They also used it with Korea in '91, if you remember. Only 2 times they've used that style of box. So tonight we have them. Tonight we have them at $39.95. Our competition's at $87.50 each, your choice, same price. We're half the price, and then some. So basically you can buy both from us and have enough money for coffee tomorrow compared to our competition for 1 coin. And actually the Unk, which is the rarer of the two, they're at 97. We're at your choice at $39.95. Wow, huh? Special. So again, the basics are the Eisenhower dollar here is a 90%er. Now, San Francisco did strike silver Eisenhowers 71 through 74, and then the 76 bicentennials, and then they stopped. So yes, there were silvers early when the coin was in circulation, but this one was made as a tribute to the 100th anniversary of the birth of one of our greatest of the 20th century, Dwight D. Eisenhower. 5-star general, 34th president, beautiful. And the price matches. Now, it's called OGP, Original Government Packaging, and that's what these are in tonight. So the coin's in the capsule, that big elongated box, which was used just for this coin, as I referenced earlier. Certificate of authenticity, the outer box, and then the sleeve. That's how they come. Guys, let's put a 1-minute clock up, please. We're getting down to single digits. Close thereof. We're like 13 and 15 left, respectively. Lots of people on the phone. If you're visiting us via the web, thank you. avccoins.com. You've been at the #1 site in collectible coins over the last few years. We thank you for that. We understand our need to maintain that is we got to have crazy products at crazy prices, and we have them all. So if you're looking for other special issue 90% silver dollars from the U.S. Mint, we got them. avccoins.com. Now also, if you're using it as an order service on these two, push your order through. We can't see your order until it's confirmed with an order number, then it grabs the inventory, and it's a combined inventory during the shows. So tonight, we celebrate the 100th anniversary of one of our greatest of the 20th century. 5-star, 34th, and price $39.95 while they last.